Hey guys, welcome to Corporate. In this video, we are going to talk about how to change the radius of a button and the rectangle and not the ellipse because it's already a circle and the polygon and the star and the image and the frame and the everything. So in this video guys, we are going to learn about how to change the radius of a button. So let me remove all this nonsense and let's start without any further ado. So if I choose a button and then go to the design panel, so if you are not already on the design panel, just come to the design panel so that it will be a bold. And then when you come to the design panel, you see here is an option on the bottom right of the first group. So that is like if you hover over it, it shows the tooltip corner radius. So this is an option for the radius. Now currently our radius is 0, so that's why it's completely sharp on both our all our four ends. Now if I click on this, focus on it, and then come here and give it a probably 24 radius, 24 pixels radius for the 8 point grid system personally. So that's why I like using 24. Now you see it's a 24 pixel radius. Now if you want to increase it even more, focus on it and maybe give it 40 pixels. So that's what it. That's how you change the radius. Now you might be thinking like, how do I change the radius of only of the top right of this button, and probably you don't want to change the radius of any of the other two sides. So what you do is you click on this option, which is independent corners, and you first give it a 0 and then click on it, and then you can hover over it like what is your top right corner. So the second one is for the top right corner, so that's how it goes: top left, top right. If you want to give it to bottom right, this is this one, and for the bottom left, this is the option. So for the top right, let's give it a 40 pixels radius, and only the top right now has the border radius of 40 pixel and none of the other three ones. So, and in the similar manner, like when you do these kind of thing, it shows mixed, because not all of your corners have a different border radius. Three of your corners have 0 pixels and one has 40 pixel border radius. So that's why it shows mixed. That is what mixed means. So never become confused what is like this mixed. Why it's a figma showing mixed. Mixed means like some parts of a particular property have a different value than the other parts. Not all parts are the same. So you click on this whenever there is a mixed option, and maybe I will just give it a bottom left corner radius of 40 pixel as well to make it a bit nicer. So that is how you use border radius property. The similar manner, if I use a star. Probably I wasn't joking. I will teach you how to give a border radius to star. So now you have a star, you can give a border radius to this as well, to all its sides. You see, the star looks so much beautiful, right? Now that's how you give it. And oh, okay. So there is an option called as corner smoothing. Now many of you may not even realize that there is an option available. And what is corner radius? So let's go into it. It is not important, but it is something like if you are developing too seriously or like so much, like so much. If your company cares about every single pixel, even half a pixel, or even a part of a pixel, even a small part of a pixel, that's when you will have to take care of it. Take care of it, which is now if I zoom in a bit. See, the coordinate is starting from here, and it's like very soon it's like curving to the bottom and thing like that. Now, if I choose this corner smoothing, this particular for iOS, and if I increase it, you see, just look at this portion when I am moving the slider. You see, it's now curving much more smoothly, and that is this is for what you use the corner coding. So probably if you ask me, I would not do it. It is not even necessary. But if you're looking for iOS or directly for the company Apple, then yeah, why not do it? So yeah, that's what corner smoothing is, if anyone ever asks you in the interview. So yeah. Okay, guys, now you know you already have to like, share, and subscribe, and so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I highly suggest you watch my prototyping series in Figma if you haven't been following my previous videos. So yeah, I really love you, and bye, guys. See you in the next video with the next property, which is width and height. Bye.